Meaning of fictitious.
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 Fictitious. The word fictitious describes something that is imaginary or not real. It can be used to describe a story, character, or situation that is made up rather than based on fact. Fictitious information or documents are fabricated and not supported by evidence or reality. The word can also refer to something that is intended to deceive or mislead others. In general, the use of fictitious elements can be helpful in creative endeavors such as writing or filmmaking, but it's important to be aware of the distinction between fiction and reality.